Slider window installation in Palmetto Bay is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With energy-efficient slider windows Palmetto Bay, you can enjoy improved insulation and reduced energy bills, making slider windows Palmetto Bay a smart long-term investment. Our custom slider windows Palmetto Bay are designed to fit any architectural style, providing both beauty and practicality. Energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment while reducing energy costs, especially when choosing slider windows Palmetto Bay for coastal homes. Our double-pane slider windows Palmetto Bay offer superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With Palmetto Bay window insulation services, you can ensure your windows are performing at their best. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, particularly for aging slider windows Palmetto Bay installations. Our Palmetto Bay window frame services include expert installation and replacement, ensuring your windows are secure and long-lasting. Vinyl slider windows Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Window glass installation is a necessary service for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows, including modern slider windows Palmetto Bay. Our Palmetto Bay window glass installation services address cracks, chips, and other damages, restoring your windows to their original condition. For those seeking a complete upgrade, our custom window solutions offer a tailored approach to window replacement. Vinyl window replacement is an excellent option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank, especially when selecting slider windows Palmetto Bay. Our vinyl slider windows Palmetto Bay provide a cost-effective solution with the added benefits of energy efficiency and low maintenance. With Palmetto Bay window cost estimation, you can plan your window replacement project with confidence. Window seal installation is essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency in slider windows Palmetto Bay homes. Our Palmetto Bay window seal services ensure your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. For added protection, consider our window weatherproofing Palmetto Bay services. Window hardware upgrades can enhance the functionality and security of your windows, especially for slider windows Palmetto Bay that see frequent use. Our window hardware Palmetto Bay services include the installation of modern locks, handles, and other accessories to improve your window's performance. With residential slider windows Palmetto Bay, you can enjoy the perfect blend of style and security. Residential window services in Palmetto Bay cover a wide range of needs, including care and maintenance for slider windows Palmetto Bay. Our window maintenance Palmetto Bay services ensure your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. With Palmetto Bay window screen services, you can keep pests out while enjoying fresh air. Window insulation improvement is key to reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort, particularly for slider windows Palmetto Bay exposed to heat and humidity. Our window insulation Palmetto Bay services provide effective solutions for keeping your home energy efficient. With Palmetto Bay window style options, you can choose the perfect windows to complement your home's design. Window style options in Palmetto Bay offer a variety of choices to suit any taste and budget, including versatile slider windows Palmetto Bay. From traditional to contemporary designs, our Palmetto Bay window style options cater to every preference. With window design consultation Palmetto Bay, you can receive expert advice on selecting the best windows for your home. For top-notch slider window installation in Palmetto Bay, look no further when considering slider windows Palmetto Bay for your home. Our energy-efficient slider windows in Palmetto Bay are designed to enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. With our custom slider windows Palmetto Bay services, you can choose from a variety of window style options to perfectly match your home's aesthetic. Our vinyl slider windows Palmetto Bay are durable and low maintenance, ensuring long-lasting performance. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows, including aging slider windows Palmetto Bay systems. Our Palmetto Bay window frame services offer expert solutions for all your window frame needs. Whether you need double-pane slider windows, Palmetto Bay, or window glass installation, our team is equipped to handle it all. We also provide window seal installation and window hardware upgrade services to ensure your windows function optimally. Residential slider windows Palmetto Bay services include comprehensive window maintenance Palmetto Bay solutions designed to keep slider windows Palmetto Bay performing efficiently. From window screen replacement to window weatherproofing, Palmetto Bay, we cover all aspects of window care. Our Palmetto Bay window screen services ensure your screens are in perfect condition, while our window weatherproofing Palmetto Bay solutions protect your home from the elements. For those concerned about window insulation, our window insulation Palmetto Bay services are ideal for enhancing slider windows Palmetto Bay performance. We offer window insulation improvement and window noise reduction solutions to create a more comfortable living environment. Our window UV protection Palmetto Bay services help protect your interiors from harmful UV rays, while our window tinting services add an extra layer of privacy and style. Our window design consultation Palmetto Bay services provide personalized guidance for homeowners upgrading to slider windows Palmetto Bay. We offer window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit and window safety features to enhance your home's security. Our Palmetto Bay window design consultation services are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. When it comes to window installation Palmetto Bay, we specialize in seamless upgrades for slider windows Palmetto Bay homeowners trust. We provide a comprehensive window installation warranty for peace of mind. Our Palmetto Bay window cost estimation services offer transparent pricing, and we provide window replacement financing options to make your project more affordable. For window leak installation, our Palmetto Bay window leak installation services are second to none, especially for older slider windows Palmetto Bay. We quickly identify and fix leaks to prevent further damage. Our window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. With our window hardware Palmetto Bay services, you can upgrade your window hardware for improved functionality and aesthetics. Choose our Palmetto Bay window seal services for expert window seal installation and maintenance tailored to slider windows Palmetto Bay. Our window measurement Palmetto Bay services guarantee precise measurements for a perfect fit. With our window safety Palmetto Bay solutions, you can enhance your home's security and safety. Our window noise reduction services create a quieter, more peaceful home environment.